Hi all, NasTime here again. Just doing a quick video of the car. I'm actually out camping at the moment, enjoying some quality NasTime, and just wanted to show you setup just to give you some ideas and help you work out your own cars when you're going camping. Up the top here I've got water tank there, just out of a milk crate there that I've cut out. I've got an additional water tank here on the side. Total probably carry about 30 litres of water. I've got a bit of firewood up there as well. That box there holds all my cooking utensils and stuff and miscellaneous stuff. Keeps it waterproof and dustproof, so it's happy to keep on top. Not too hard to get up there either. Inside we have what looks like a bit of a mess, but it's actually a swag on top of everything. So I've got my swag, my stretcher, and my chair, and they're the first things that always come out, and then gives me easy access to everything underneath. Believe it or not, I can access everything pretty easily. At the back there I've got a fridge which is running 24/7 off a dual battery system. I've got a bucket there and another crate just in case I need to get up off the ground or need a little table. That bucket there holds all the dog stuff. The wooden box next to it is all my cooking stuff, and you can see I've got like a drawer system that holds everything in the back nice and easily. I've got a good little system there if I need a little table. A little table that helps me out there. And on this side I have the rest of my gear. Clothing, slippers for the night time and all that sort of stuff. In the front here I've got some of my food, quick access to snacks while I'm driving, and all my audio-visual equipment, the cameras and that sort of stuff. So pretty easy setup, anyone can do it. Enjoy.